Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 4.2 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, you can open up Settings app. Let's pull down Notification panel and you'll find it right here. Then scroll all the way down to System, tap on Advanced, and you'll see Reset options right here. And from here you can tap on Erase all data, Factory Reset. It gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the device, including your Google account, system apps, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, basically anything that you have put on there yourself. So once you're ready, you can tap on Reset Phone and then erase everything and the process will begin. Now it's going to take probably several minutes, so just be patient, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.